Another plant that we want to be doing is called Chamaerops humilis, which is a Mediterranean fan palm. It's a plant which is a fan-shaped plant. And it is called the Mediterranean fan palm. This plant, usually you can plant it in close proximity to swimming pools or near fountains. Usually, this plant, to be on the safe side, sometimes it looks like the Washingtonia fillifera, which is the big, if you see it on the streets, major streets, it's like it has sometimes a small thorny on the الأفرع تبعها, you will see that thorny شوكيات. Why we do this plant and why we plant it sometimes gets to about 6 meters, but usually you'll find it in trade about 1 meter, 1.1 meter. It gets spread about 3 meters. Alkaline, acid soil, dry soil, it needs sun. هو النخل مروحي مقزم. It's a palm shrub. Small size, can be easily transplanted. ملحوظة للجميع, معظم البالميتوس you can transfer them anytime لأنه most of the time they have a fan burlap trunk system, and this is a yellow-green plant. And let me share with you, when we say it's a yellow plant, usually we will see that it has this greenery, and immediately you will start mixing the strips. They are yellow as they go away from the center, and where they are from the center, they are dark, and then you have this grass green that it's good to use. And look what I'm doing. Mediterranean fan palm. I am doing it this way, and immediately the Mediterranean fan palm, it's a texture plant. It has usually no disease. You don't see a lot of disease in this Mediterranean, but you can see it all over the Mediterranean, from Spain to southern France to Tunisia. You find it in all kinds of places. It looks also, the Livistona chinensis looks like this Livistona chinensis, but the Livistona chinensis gets to be like a medium tree, but this one, no, it's not a tree, it's a shrub, palm shrub, and you can put it in several clumps. You don't have to put it as one by itself. By itself it looks fine, but also you can use it in different places by itself as an individual plants. Why I'm doing these plants? Somebody is saying why you are repainting the plants. To recall, first of all, my memory. I would like to get fresh with the memory of my work. This helps me, shapes the plants that I am reading them again. I am reading my plants. I am recalling plants in my book. I am revising the plans for the south, or landscape plans for Jordan and the Middle East. I would like to come up with a new kind of a version of that book, because it gives me reviving or understanding the value of the plants that I am working. I'm doing the grounds underneath, and I'm doing this grassy look, and look what I'm mixing it. It's like I'm putting the tone of the browns here and there. That helps me value my plants and tracking a record of track over what I am doing as such. Again, why we do plants, why I'm doing it, again, to recall my memory, to understand better the environment that I am in the Mediterranean, and it gives me always pleasure to value the plants as much as I can, understanding the nature of the plant. I will come and do now the trunks, which is these brown strips of it. Now I have my Livistona chinensis as such. Almost it's finished, but I will try to add some kinds. You see some brownish in some of the leaves. It gives it, this is the Livistona chinensis. Again, you do this plant and make sure that you plant it in clumps, not only as one, but you can do it as a group of plants, and it helps to draw it. I will do it again and again and again to make sure I am getting my plants drawn where I can read them well and give it a textures. This is a textures plant, big leaf, and those big leaves usually are beautiful to have, because also they give you a different texture in your garden. Plant it where you can, next to the swimming pool. Now again, write the name of the plant: Chamaerops humilis. It is a good Mediterranean farm palm. You can plant it in clumps together or by itself. And as we said, CH, capital CAMAEROPS, humilis, which is Mediterranean fan palm, نخل، مروحي، مقزم. My name, May 2020 during the corona. هذه نبتة تعيش لمدة طويلة جدا. It's a long living plant. كويسة لتحسين تصريف المياه. يمكن رفع الأحواض عن سطح التربة لأنها بتحتاج لتربة جافة ذات قدرة عالية على التكاثر بالبذور. سهل تنقلها. Container plant, greenhouse, hedge plant, specimen, yellow of flowers, yellow. It gets some yellow flowers. And here we rest our case. Thank you, guys.